Best advice for affiliate marketers. Hi, I'm Vicki Trancho. If you're following me, I already know you have a passion for affiliate marketing. But have you thought about how much of a difference it would make if you could finally make a change in this area? If you're an affiliate marketer, then you already know that you need help with being able to get more good clients. So, how do you make the changes you need? You need to learn to be financially independent and to provide a valuable service. One of the best ways to do this is to get more exposure without going broke buying ads. And I can help you do that. Here are 3 things you need to start doing right based on my experience. 1. Ask yourself, how do I get enough interested customers to my pages? 2. Stop thinking sales funnels are the only way to sell products. There's a new reality. 3. Learn why the false belief it is difficult to drive traffic to the pages doesn't actually help anyone. That's my advice for today. Comment and let me know if this resonated with you and if I can be of service. Thank you.